Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm Cheryl. So in today's video I wanted to sit down and record something because I haven't played with makeup in a while, and I wanted something dark and sultry and just black eyeshadow. I know I wanted black eyeshadows. I decided to play around with some palettes, and if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. So let's get started. I'm going to prime my face with this one. I'm going to be using the Infallible foundation. This is in shade 420 True Beige. So how have you guys been? I hope everybody's doing well. For concealer, I'll be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. So I got some bags, and they're cute, they're fine, but the thing with that is, and let me know if this happens to you, they grow so fast that you have to be cutting them. In my case, I cut them weekly. That's how fast my bangs grow. See how long I stay with this, because it could be a hassle. When I cut them, they were above my eyebrows, and now you cannot even see my eyebrows. That's how fast it grows. For powder, I'm going to be using the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder. I love this one so much. I got this in my BoxyCharm, and I love it. It's become my favorite. Okay, so honestly, here we go, Cheryl with bloopers. I haven't done a makeup video in a while because I pre-film my videos a lot. So you see them usually like almost 2 weeks afterwards. And I haven't done one in like 2 weeks, so I forgot to connect my microphone. And I just remembered, so I'm gonna put it now. Blooper. So I was saying, in case you didn't hear me, I want something black. I want black eyeshadow for sure. I want a dark smoky eyes. So I'm gonna start off with a brown, cool tone brown from the ColourPop Stone Cold palette, which is one of my favorite palettes. As you can see, it's really dirty. I've used it a lot. So I'm gonna use this one right here. So, how is summer treating you? Are you enjoying it? I would love to know. Are you a summer person? I'm not. I hate summer. I don't like winter either, like cold, snowy winter. It's too cold. But I love fall or spring. It's basically what I love, especially fall. I'm going to take that same color in the lower lash line. I'm going to use the same brush. Today is really sunny. And I'm surprised it hasn't rained because every afternoon it rains. That's just the typical tropical weather. Now I'm going to take black, and the blackest black that I have so far is from the Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette. That's the one I'm gonna use because it's really black. gonna put that all over the crease and the lids. Tap off the excess because I don't want fallout. I haven't done a smoky eye with black in a long time. You know, sometimes your soul just says you gotta use black, and this was the day. I miss it. I haven't done it in a while. I'm gonna take the first brush, which I don't know where I put it. Here it is, and blend those two colors together. And it's okay to look like you have raccoon eyes because that's the look that I'm going for. A little raccoon moment. I'm gonna take that black and put it on the lower lash line, really close to the lower lash line with a smaller brush, like this one. I want to vamp this up. Is that a word? I want to glitter this up. I'm going to take some glitter primer from NYX or glitter glue. I think it's pretty much the same thing. Put it in the center of my lids because I want to put glitter there. This one from the Tati palette. These glitters are awesome, in case you didn't know. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. I mean, it's just beautiful. It's so beautiful. And where am I going? Nowhere. I'm gonna put some black eyeliner in the waterline. Got this one from NYX a very long time ago, and I still haven't found a good black eyeliner that stays on all day long. This is the only one that actually is really truly black and it lasts all day long. And I'm running out of it. It's so tiny now. I need to buy another one. I'm just adding here in the brow bone this one. I'm gonna take this one from Glodian, the lightest shade. Just gonna put that in the inner corner. I use the Lunar Beauty lashes in style Nova. These are amazing. I've worn this already about 10 times, I think, and they still feel and look brand new, so they're really good. Now I'm gonna bronze my face, and I'm gonna use my NYX palette to sculpt out my cheeks a little bit. Who's eager for Halloween? I am dying for this summer to be over so I can start decorating. I think we're in August, so I think in September I'm gonna start decorating. I can't wait anymore. And I'm gonna use that same highlighter, I guess. because I don't want to look for another one. Should I do a nude lip like I usually do, which is my go-to? Or do I want to take this to another level? Let's vamp it up. I've been trying to find a good, almost black lip color, and I can't seem to find a good one. They always turn out to be more on the reddish side. This one from Dose of Colors. This one's called Mood. It looks like it's gonna be dark, but it's not. It's more mauve on the red side, on the warm side. Then I got Sin City from Mel Cosmetics, but it's still too warm and it's not dark enough. Then I have this one from KVD. This one's Crucifix, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and this is the one that I have that's the darkest, but still not dark enough. If you have any recommendations, please let me know, because I've been dying to buy one that's not black, because I don't really like black lipstick, but almost black, you know. So that's the final look. What do you guys think? I like it. This is exactly what I had in mind. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Click the little bell to get notified every time I upload, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. It's wet. I don't know why my phone wants to always update when I'm doing a video. My fingers are covered in glitter. I'm using the wrong side of the brush. Nose itches. Which I love this packaging, by the way. That fell. That wasn't part of the plan. But I forgot my intro and I forgot my outro. That was the worst outro